Welcome back again. This tutorial I am going to show you turn off autoplay on YouTube app. Now let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After that, look at the bottom right corner. Here you can find the U button. Click on them. Once you are in there, tap on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down a little. Here you can find the playback option. Click to open it. At the very top, find the autoplay next video. Right now this option is turned on. To turn them off, simply hit the toggle button and turn it off. However, if you are also disable the autoplay in feed, to do that, back the previous screen, scroll to the top menu bar, go to General. After that, you can find the playback in feed option. Click on them, then see three different options. Choose the off button and you are done. Hope this guide will help you. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Bye, take care guys.